Alright, so today we're going to be showing you the cost of living in Chiang Mai. So we're going to be giving you the cost of everything that we eat and our transportation and everything like that. We've already eaten our breakfast, so we'll show you that right now.
We did what we always do and grabbed yogurt from the convenience store. It worked out to 13 baht per yogurt.
And then yeah, for lunch we're just heading down to the Old City area right now. So we're trying to catch a songtao there. It's actually pretty easy to catch a songtao.
Walk in the direction you're heading, try and wave down a red truck when you see one, and if you got a phone handy, you can just show them a map where you want to go. That way you don't gotta try and pronounce anything funny, you can just show them exactly where and keep hailing.
Sometimes it'll take a couple tries to find a songtao that's going in the area that you're wanting to go, but just gotta keep trying.
Alright, I think you understood.
We found a ride. 30 baht each. 30 baht each.
Mission accomplished. Nice and easy.
Yeah, I read online somewhere that if they don't say a price, just to assume that it's 30 and not really clarify, because then they might try and haggle the price and get it a bit higher. But one time we did that and they ended up dropping us off saying, oh no, it's actually 50 baht each. So, lesson learned.
Kept looking backwards, held the phone up when a guy started driving past, and he did a lane change, pulled in front of some people, and just pulled over on the middle of the road. Stops traffic and everything, you just jump on in, show them where you want to go.
So we're on the search for a restaurant. It's almost easier just to walk around and see what you see on the streets rather than trying to plan a restaurant, but let's see what we find.
So, we just picked a random spot on the side of the street walking around Old Town Chiang Mai here. Got some cow soy we were having a craving and happened to see it walking past the street. And it came out in like 2 minutes, if that. So, pretty good, 60 baht a bowl.
So lunch was super good. Khao soy is one of our favorite meals here for sure, and that one was probably the best khao soy we've had so far. I really like it when they give you like your own toppings that you can add to it, and like make it just as spicy if you want, or extra limey if you want it. You get to personalize it. It's a lot nicer.
We decided to skip out on the midday heat and grab a Tuk Tuk to Nong Buak Hard Park. When we got there, we found out it was closed for the upcoming flower festival.
We asked our driver if he would take us out to Sankampaeng village, and we agreed on a 200 baht round trip. Sankampaeng is just outside of Chiang Mai city and is where you can watch locals craft their goods and purchase from them directly.
Our first stop was the Thai silk village. When we arrived, a guide showed us how the Thai silk is made. The silkworms build a cocoon out of their saliva, and after living in the cocoon for about a week, they emerge as a moth. The silkworm's cocoon is what is actually pulled into the silk strands.
One day it can make about 4 meters long.
The store here had a ton of Thai silk goods. I even bought a silk scarf that was made here and dyed blue using butterfly pea flower. That's the same flour that we picked and our tea was made of in our last video at the Thai cooking school.
We've been ripping around all day here on this little Tuk Tuk fella. 200 baht, and we've gone past the umbrella festival we went to yesterday. Right now we're in the Siladone little factory building here where they sell ceramic stuff. We just checked out the Thai silk, got Alicia a silk scarf. We bought some pearl earrings and a jade pendant at the other little craftsman factory, so it's going pretty good so far, I'd say. You could make a full day trip out of Sankampaeng village, but since we planned this one on a whim, it was time for us to get back home. We made good time getting back to the old city, as our Tuk Tuk driver squeezed and whizzed past traffic. Once we arrived, we hailed down a songtao, and for 30 baht each, we were on our way home.
Alrighty, so we worked up quite an appetite today, so we decided to try Thai barbecue. It was something that our cooking instructor suggested to us, so we're at it's called a mukata. So I'll show you quickly what we have here.
They brought over a pot here with some glowing charcoal blocks in there. So we got a nice hot pot, boiling some water with what looks like a little bit of stock in it. And then you go on over to the buffet, you pick out your meats, And you can fry them up over here. You can put them in the water and sizzle them in the middle. Got a basket of vegetables brought to you by Alicia over here. And a bit of different sauces, noodles, and rice over there as well. So, kind of mix and match. Figure out what's happening. None of it's in English.
It's pretty much an all-you-can-eat and cook buffet. And it was, what, like 210 baht each? And there's so many different like meats and veggies to choose from. And you can go back as much as you want. I'm pretty excited to get cooking.
All right, we cooking.
Still trying to figure it out, but it smells delicious. I tried boiling an egg in the shallow water. Look, my hard-boiled egg actually worked. I'm so proud of myself.
She did it. She did it.
I also made myself a little beef broccoli noodle soup to go with my egg. I'm so full. I need to take a break from food.
Yeah, it's very filling.
Now that we've cooked everything on our grill, the soup broth is so good.
The key is load it up at the very start with all your meat and let the juices flow down that little spots. You're cooking too slow. All right, morning everybody. We are starting the Doi Suthep hike. We got our grab taxi off to the bottom of the mountain base here. Even he was kind of taking the windy little mountain road. Not quite sure why he wanted to go up here. I think this was a first for him even, but we are going to brave onward and hike through the jungle here. There's supposed to be a few waterfalls on the way, then we'll check out the temple at the top once we get there. Got a probably couple-hour hike ahead of us, but let's get at her.
Most people just take a songtao to the top of the mountain to go see Doi Suthep, or rent like a motorcycle or something and go up there and go up themselves. But we decided to be one of the few that hikes to the top of the mountain to see Doi Suthep.
Set my mind on fire, put my soul at ease. In the midnight hour, it's calling me. Makes my blood rush faster. It's a chain reaction, yeah. Making time run backwards. This is all I'm after.
Alright, we're at the first 2-kilometer little pit stop, I think, here at one of the little monk resting areas where they do a lot of meditation. So, little break here, have some water, have some of the snacks we packed, but it is sure beautiful back there. Check it out. Got Chiang Mai in the background, got a flowing river with bridges over it, and it's pretty spectacular here.
Yeah, so we're at the first temple here. It's Wat Phra Lat. So when you do the hike up to Doi Suthep, it's first the hike up to this temple, Wat Phra Lat, and then I guess we're gonna cross the road and find our way to Doi Suthep, hopefully. I was wrong before. It's called Wat Phra Lat, I think, not Phra Lat, but very cool.
Yeah, it's super nice here. It should be like a spa resort on the side.
Alright, first viewpoint was a go. We had all of our snacks, checked it out, beautiful. Nice flowing water, food and everything, so we're off to Doi Suthep. Apparently this is the kind of the steeper hike, so here goes nothing. Woo! We found our way off this highway.
Yay! Time to go up! I think we're almost there.
We're doing it. Back sweat galore, but we're doing it.
Literally drenched in sweat.
But we did it. We made it to the top of the hike, so now we're just a short little trek up that road again here with all the traffic to the actual temple, I believe.
Yeah.
We'll find some water.
It's pretty cool though.
Yeah, nice little jungle walk.
Yeah. The last bit was like really steep though, so just a warning, if you're not in like pretty alright shape, you might not want to do it.
Yeah.
definitely a workout and a sweat fest.
Yeah, but we made it.
That's right. Cross it off the adventure list.
Yeah. All right, let's go find the temple. Wow, that's Chiang Mai down there.
We're on top of Chingy.
I can't believe we walked up here, hey?
Yeah, this is a huge walk looking back on it now. I can see my house from here.
Bye-bye, Doi Suthep. Now to catch a ride back.
We're back home after a big Doi Suthep day.
We did it.
Man, from the time we got into the Songtao and waited for the Songtao to fill up and then get to here, it was like almost an hour, like 55 minutes.
Yeah, we waited for a completely packed vehicle. We must have had 10 of us crammed in the back there in total. So, got his money's worth out of it, but we're home. Go shower up, getting sweaty after that hot hike.
Ah, the camera died on us. But we're just gonna say we're going to relax a bit after that long day. It's our last night in Chiang Mai because tomorrow night we take the sleeper train to Bangkok. That's actually pretty exciting. I'm looking forward to the sleeper train. But anyways, we'll probably see you next time. Bye! Join us next time when we say goodbye to Chiang Mai and take a sleeper train to Bangkok to see what it has to offer.